YouTube is here, man. It just got here. I sat down and started recording. So the camera that I got, the DJI Pocket 3. I don't know if y'all can see that, but so this camera is a little bit different from like the normal camera that like everyone's used to using. Since I'm like doing everything myself, this one is like a lot easier for me because it's got like a gimbal and stuff like that that'll help me. Hold on, yeah, I can't open this, bro. Hold on. Okay. Let me put this back, man. I ordered this from Best Buy. So if y'all are wanting to get one like this too, I'm gonna show y'all. Okay. And then okay. So I'm assuming this is the case for it. Okay, so on the inside there's like camera lens holder things. So this is the case it comes in. This is a case. This thing is small, bro. Hold on. That shit. So this is the actual camera. Oh, and this is where I was watching videos. I forgot. Is this how they put it in? Like, yeah. So then it goes in the case. It goes in that part I just showed y'all. Is this like the charger? I think this is like the charger or something. Okay. So is that? Oh, it turned on. It turned on. You have to take the sticker off. Okay. Oh shoot. This name. This is dope, bro. Hold on, let me not. So this thing controls it. And then you see it moving, y'all? Okay. So what is this? What is this? I don't know what that is. Is that a smaller charger? Maybe I can take this off. How do you take this off? Oh, the back button. There's a button on the back. You press and hold that. Oh, this is for the mount. Okay, this part comes with the mount part. Like they both do. What? Okay, this is another part. I think this is, yeah. So this is to the bottom part that you hold. You put this on here. Cool. So boom, you got that on there. You can hold it like this. So, oh, okay. So these are the lenses. So here's one of the lenses. So boom, this is one of the lenses. Okay. This is a charger. Oh, this is, okay, this is the charger that they give you. Yeah, so this is the inside. I probably should have showed y'all, but this is the inside. It's a good mic. Show y'all the mic. So this is the mic, boom. Comes with this little part on top. I got the creator combo. So like it's not just the camera, it's a little bit more. Boom. What is this? It's like a, what? What is this? But like, where does it go to? I don't know, I'll figure that out later. So we gonna figure this out, man. We gonna, you know, our videos are about to be clean. Our quality about to be better. I got some stuff planned out that I'm gonna do. But yeah, man, this is the camera right here, y'all, with all the attachments. Again, this is the creator combo one that I got, so it comes with a whole bunch of extra stuff. So the SD card goes right here. This is where the SD card goes. Swipe to skip 5 times ring. All right, so I got everything set up. Let me take this off. Got my SIM card. I'm using the SanDisk. That's the one I'm using, the SanDisk. I think it was like $40. I'm gonna put the SD card in, and then I'm gonna see if I can start recording on there and see if I can get some stuff from it. So again, this is what it looks like by itself. Like if you were to just get it by itself, this is all you would get. That's all you would get. So the SD card did not come with it. That's also something you have to get by yourself. I'm gonna get this SD card in, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all. Hopefully it'll be on the actual camera, just so we can see the quality. Ooh. Okay. Now y'all see that quality now, man. Sir. Oh, it's bright. It's bright. Yep. I need to figure out how to do, like, because you can add the gimbal and it'll, like, track you. But, yeah, I'm going to have to play more. I'm going to have to play around with it more, but it's that new quality, man. And if I want to, Yo. Flip it right back. Oh, that's it, too. That's my unboxing video, man. That's what we better start using from here on out. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. We on the road to 1K. We got new quality. We starting new again. Let's get it, man.